I have really been looking forward to these acoustic tiles coming. I have a room in my house that it echoes really, really badly. I have hearing aids, and it really bothers me because when I go into that particular room, I have to turn off my hearing aids because everything echoes so badly. The rest of the house is pretty good, but that room's awful. So I thought if I have these, I'm going to be able to put them up on that wall, and so it's not going to bother as much when I walk in there. You ready for this? I'm so excited. These are actually flame retardant. They're polyester. All I have to do is peel this off the backing and put it up on the wall, and it's going to reduce the sound. And I'm going to lay them out here because you can actually put them in any style that you want. They're like honeycomb. I'm going to move these so you can see what I'm doing. Aren't they pretty? I mean, I like this kind of thing because I love the color. The color has a beige in it with a very light gray backing. So I can put them down like this in a total honeycomb, or I can actually do another pattern and just spread them out a little bit, just whatever I think is going to look pretty. And they're so simple. I'm going to go from having a room that drives me nuts with my hearing aids on to being able to talk with everybody else and being able to hear them. And we're going to see how many of these are here. Isn't that pretty? So the other thing I like is that I can personalize them. I'm going to move this up a little bit, just like that, because they don't have to be actually touching. These are awesome. This is exactly what I want. I've been so excited about them coming. See, and I can even put those together if I like that, but I'm going to spread them out like that. Oh my gosh, I feel like an artist. Isn't that pretty? Wow. Okay, I'm going to take this off of the holder. Look at this. I'm going to put that up on my wall, and I'm going to be able to interact and hear what everybody else is saying instead of worrying about all the sound that comes out of my hearing aids. Okay, that is like better than I expected. I love them. They're wonderful. It's going to be so simple to put them up. Like I said, the back, it just has, look, I'm just going to go like this, peel that up. Can you see that? That's all I have to do is peel them up. And you saw how fast I put them down on this table. It's going to be just as that fast on the wall. Wow. Okay, that is a excellent 5 out of 5. Really excited, really happy. That's exactly what I wanted. Very happy.